Unit 3.2 week 3. Okay, as I earlier mentioned in unit 3.1 that in this week we will be doing financial statement analysis. So let us continue with the another technique of financial statement analysis, that is common size analysis. Now what is common size analysis? Common size analysis, also referred as a vertical analysis, is a tool that financial manager use to analyze financial statement. These three core statements are intricately. It evaluates financial statement by expressing each line as a percentage of the base amount for that period. देखिए कॉमन साइज एनालिसिस में आप क्या करते हैं कि आप हर एक जो भी आपकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट होती है, मे बी इट इज इनकम स्टेटमेंट और मे बी इट इज बैलेंस शीट या स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ओनर्स इक्विटी भी है, बट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ओनर्स इक्विटी इतनी छोटी सी होती है कि उसकी आप नहीं कर रहे होते ज़्यादातर. आई इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल कवर टू statements जिसकी हम common size analysis करेंगे. One is income statement and one is balance sheet. So what you do, you pick up each line from the income statement and the balance sheet और इसकी जो base amount होती है उससे आप divide करते हैं and then you express it as a percentage. Okay, now common size analysis can be done for 1 year, it can be done for 2, 3, 4 years, and then common size analysis के साथ ही आप trend analysis भी साथ में mix up कर सकते हैं कि यू कैन सी कि परसेंटेज चेंज डिफरेंट सालों में क्या हो रहा है एंड ऑल. So आपको दोबारा बता देती हूँ what is common size analysis. Common size analysis is analysis in which you express each item that is present in the income statement or in the balance sheet as a percentage of the base item. अब किस वक्त किसको आपने base amount बनाना होता है वो भी हम आपको अभी बता देते हैं. That also I will explain you. Now I look at this. I hope it is visible. या थोड़ा zoom करूँ पता है. I don't know how it will zoom. Okay, I hope it is visible or I can. No, sorry, it is at screen sharing. तो नहीं होगा zoom. Anyways, so I think it is visible enough. So you can see in they have done the comparative common size analysis over the time. ये comparative है basically, इसमें common size analysis भी किया और फिर बाद में उसको compare भी किया है. तो comparison करने के लिए again वो आप एक write up लिखते हैं. There are few sentences या एक paragraph आप लिख देते हैं in the end. Okay, but पहले आपको common size analysis बताते हैं. If focus on the year 2019. In the year 2019, revenue is 48,077, cost is 37,288, and so on. Okay, now the base amount here in the income statement, you take your base amount at revenue. In the income statement, you always please take your base amount as a revenue. और अगर revenue देखिए in general, mostly 99% of the time you take revenue, but revenue के अलावा अगर आपको कोई और लेनी है, तो then you mention in your write up. ठीक है. ये अच्छा, अब इसकी आपको थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन भी करके बता देते हैं. एंड फॉर द ईयर 2018 अगेन द बेस अमाउंट इज रेवेन्यू. तो होगा ये कि एवरी टाइम यू विल बी डिवाइडिंग यू विल व्हेन यू विल फाइंड द परसेंटेज व्हाट यू विल डू, जो भी आइटम है जिसके लिए आप कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर, रेवेन्यू इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी द डिनोमिनेटर, एंड देन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. ओके, नाउ आई विल डू सम विथ यू. Okay, now let me do with you cost of sales. Okay, now if I do cost of sales, see, I will write equal to, then I will write 37288 divided by 48077. ठीक है, and you press enter and you will see you will get here. इसको round off कर देते हैं. Further इसको 100 से multiply करते हैं. And then you round off if you want to. Now see, we are getting here exactly the same results. Okay, now let me do for general and administrative expense. Of course, expense ही होगा, तो 658 is here. So I will do it here. 480 every time you will take 48077 because every time you will take revenue as your base amount. So you will see here, you get here 1.4. Okay, this is how you do common size analysis, and I hope you will complete for the rest. Just remember what you have to do. You have to pick up the each amount present here, and you will divide this with the revenue only, and then you will multiply with the 100. I will do with you for the year 2018 as well. So 2018 में आपके पास है this is for the year 2018 26561 26561 divided by 26561 divided by 34204, and you can see I will do it here for you. 470 34204, and you can see. Okay, this is how you do common size analysis of any income statement. Please complete this yourself, do it. And now let me explain you how you do common size analysis over the balance sheet. Okay, now this is a balance sheet. I've taken this balance sheet from Google, किसी भी company की है. So what you do in the balance sheet again, and this is again a comparative common size analysis, that in the now you can see here that the percentage of current assets that you are the percent of the current asset that is in the total asset. Okay, the portion of the current asset in the total current asset is 48.3%. Okay, or I would say the percent or the percentage of the current asset in the total asset is 48.3%, and then here is 43.3%. Now it was 43.3, अगर आप इसको forward comparison करें 43.3 था और फिर 48.3 हो गया. So this is good क्योंकि 2017 से 2018 पे आने में you have improved your current assets, और current assets को basically improve ही करना चाहिए हमें, because current assets are the assets that can turn into liquid anytime, or you need liquid at the time of need. ठीक है. Then current liabilities थी, long term liabilities बहुत reduce कर दी है, 16.3 से 8.8 पे आ गए. Very good sign, very good, ऐसा करना भी चाहिए. और total liabilities भी overall काफ़ी कम हुई हैं, 36% से 27.2 पे आ गए. That is also good. See, and now let's talk about the equity. Equity में आपका increase हुआ, equity बढ़ी है. This is also good, 64 से 72.8 पे आ गए. So what is this? This is I'm doing comparative analysis, which I'm doing orally. See, when you do comparative analysis, you have to simply write down the write-up. For the common size analysis, you have to do the calculations. When you talk about the trend analysis, अगर आपको raw data given है तो आपको उसके bar charts वगैरह खुद से बनाने पड़ेंगे. नहीं given है, अगर आपको directly bar charts हम दे देते हैं तो you have to write down the write-up. I hope I'm clear. ठीक है, please, because you have to attempt the quizzes and you have to attempt the exam. तो ये चीज़ें भी मैं आपको साथ साथ बताती जा रही हूँ ताकि आपकी क्लैरिटी होती जाए. फर्दर हम जूम सेशन में भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें से भी 3-4 कैलकुलेशंस मैं आपको करके दिखा देती हूँ. सो लेट मी गो ऑन द एक्सेल. Okay. Now listen here. In this balance sheet, 99% time the base amount is actually the total asset. आप टोटल एसेट कह लें या टोटल लायबिलिटीज एंड ओनर्स इक्विटी कह लें, एक ही बात है, बिकॉज यू नो एज पर द अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन टोटल एसेट इक्वल्स टू टोटल लायबिलिटी एंड ओनर्स इक्विटी. So the base amount is always going to be 1,139,500. This is 1,139,500. This is always going to be your base amount. However, in very rare scenario, अगर आप total asset के अलावा कोई और base amount use करते हैं तो फिर आप उसे अपने report में mention करते हैं. Yes, what is the benefit of this complete chapter is basically कि when if you get a job as a financial statement analyst और आप रिपोर्ट्स लिखते हैं, आप देखें जितनी भी बड़ी कंपनीज है इनकी क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं, तो ये रिपोर्ट राइटिंग जो होती है आपकी, उसमें ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रखती है कि जब आप फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट राइटिंग करते हैं तो उससे पहले आप पूरा एनालिसिस करते हैं एंड देन यू मेक ऑल द चार्ट्स एंड यू राइट अप. तो ये नेस्ले पीएसओ वालों की फिर ये ऑनलाइन पब्लिश हो जाती हैं ये रिपोर्ट्स, तो ये इसमें कोई मिस्टेक की गुंजाइश नहीं होती. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज नीड टू बी डन वेरी केयरफुली. एनीवेज, मैं आपके लिए 2-3 यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करके दिखा देती हूँ. लेट मी डू विथ यू फॉर द करंट एसेट्स. So again you will write down equal to, then you will write 550,000, 550, sorry, 1,000 divided by 1,139,500. This is what you get, and then we will round off. Okay, this is how you round off till 3 decimal places, and then you pick up this and multiply with 100. Oops, again we need to round off. So you see here you get 48.3%. This is for the current assets. Okay, and now I will do with you, मैं 2018 का कर रही हूँ. I will do with you for the current liabilities. Okay, this is for the end. Let me do with you for the current liabilities. Let me do it here. So equal to, or you can do it directly, 210,000 divided by 1139. So you get here 18.42. Okay, so I've done the here directly. यहाँ मैं एक और step में 100 से multiply कर रही थी. ठीक है, in the same way I can do for the current liabilities in the year 2017. So you will have here 243,000, 243,000 divided by 1,230,500. 1,230,500. So you get here 19.7. Okay, so this is how you will do this. If you don't want to do it on the Excel, no problem, do it in your register. Okay, what your work is. Now see, this Zoom lecture is actually your class. Okay, so for the class work, what is your class work? Okay, you must be watching this video on your mobile or your laptop, wherever. Do a screenshot, okay, and then keep that screenshot in front of you and solve this complete example in your register. Okay, if you don't want to do it in your register, do it in your Excel laptop mein kare, and then you save it. Okay, but you make sure you practice. Maybe you feeling this concept very easy and you say, oh samajh aa gaya, bahut aasan hai, but after some time you might forget. Okay, so make sure you do a practice so that you don't forget. Thank you and enjoy your day.